Hi, and welcome, in Naja Tech channel. In this video I have solution for Windows 10 version 2004. Windows 10 has problem with reset, but there is a solution. Windows 10 has some compatibility issues here and there with every major update, and that was no different with the Windows May 10, 2020 update, version 2004. There also appears to be a problem resetting a PC. According to Microsoft, there is for certain hardware configurations, preventing a PC from being restored to factory settings. Fortunately, Microsoft has a workaround for the problem. Because of this, you should be able to clean a Windows version for a future owner of the operating system and system in question. If you search for Command Prompt and Start, the Command Prompt icon will appear. By right-clicking on it you will see the option Run as Administrator apostrophe. After entering any password, type the command ISM, online, clean up image, restore health. After an enter you will be given the opportunity to reboot the system and to reset the PC. Of course it is a temporary solution. Microsoft says it is not explicitly working on a solution, but this will probably be the case. After all, a deployment image servicing management command is not the most user-friendly solution. The usual way to reset can be found in the settings function. Reset this PC under system settings.
Thanks for all your support. Subscribe and rating the video and leaving a comment is always appreciated. Please, respect each other in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, press the button below and get notifications. You will get updated for my earliest video. Jesus bless you.